Hey friends, so I hope that solving the word problems was not too frustrating. I just finished doing them myself, and I think that figuring out what it's asking you is the most confusing part, or will be the hardest part. But the actual numbers that it's asking you to add or subtract, I know that you know how to do that. So just really think about what it's asking. All right, so I just finished solving it. I plugged in all my letters, and it revealed our clue number 2. It's really our clue number 3 because we did 2 yesterday. But clue number 2 at the top of the page. And it says, Waldo hates places with lots of light. Waldo hates places with lots of light. So we need to go back to our possible locations. And in this very first column, it's actually the second column. The location name is the first column. And then the second column, it says light or dark. And so our clue is just that Waldo hates places with lots of light. So in this column, it either says dark or light. If he doesn't like light, then that means anytime that we see the word light in this column, we need to cross out that whole row. So I really only see one that says light, and that's the Crystal Cave. It's kind of right in the middle, this one right here. So I'm going to cross out that whole row, because if Waldo doesn't like light, then they're not going to be there. So that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible places. I want you to check yours with me to make sure that you haven't accidentally crossed something out by accident. So the first one that you should still have is the Smoldering Dungeon, the Gnome Mines, the Trolls Tonics Lab, the Chanter's Chamber, and the Silver Arrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible places and 2 more clues. So tomorrow we will do clue 3, and on Thursday we will do clue 5. On your back paper, you can actually, if you would like, you can do 2 things. On this very back, you can write your name, so it says detective. I'm going to write Mrs. Bean. Just so that you can keep track. And then here's a clues checklist. So we've done clue 1. Remember, that was the comparing numbers. We just did clue 2. And we've done clue 4. So this shows that we still need to do clue 3 and clue 5. All right. I will see you back here tomorrow to work on clue 3.